Yeah, here we are demonstrating solar powered e-bicycle. So this project is main purpose is we are going to converting the normal home utilized bicycle to our electrical bicycle, and this consists of pedaling also. So from this pedaling we can use for mechanical system. For electronic system we are making use of this hub motor which is mounted inside this, and this was driven by our controlling system, and there will be a MCB switch. So this is the on off switch. So when it is pressing for the top, it is on and is off. And coming to this one is the accelerator. So from this accelerator we can increase and decrease the speed of the wheel. So let us see that, just demonstration purpose. So just switch on this, the top is switch on, and next, so it rotates. Right, so when I am increasing the throttle, so the speed of the motor will be increased, and this system can handle up to 150 kgs, and the speed of this motor is going to be the 25 to 30 kilometers per hour speed. And also we have a pedaling inside this. So in the mechanical system we can do the pedaling, as well as when we are struggled or when we are tired, then we can just switch on this system so that we can control the bicycle with the help of the batteries. So here we are using the 4 batteries. So each battery consists of 12 volt 7 amps, so that these 4 batteries are connected in series, so that we will get the 48 volts. So this is the 48 volts for 500 watts hub motor. So from this battery power supply we are going to run this motor, as well as this solar panel is used to charge these batteries. So from this red wire, so we are going to charge this battery, as well as we have provided with one more charger, that is a 230 volts. So on this charger there will be a light indication. Whenever this light is turned green, so the battery is got fully charged. Just we need to connect this at this section. So we can see that the red light is indicated. Once the battery gets fully charged, it is already fully charged, we can see that the light will be turning into the. So we can see that this is a charger which is getting input from the 230 volts, and it will convert into the 52 volts. Why? Because we are using a 48 volts, so it needs 50 volts to be fully charged. So 52 volts providing, so there will be light indication. So green light is fully charged. And now when we connect this to the charger, so this is a charging point, this is a charging slot, we need to connect it over here. So we can see that the red light is indicating the battery is going to be charged. So once the battery is fully charged, it will turn into the green. So already the battery are fully charged. Just for demonstration purpose I shown that. So it's turned green light, so means the battery got fully charged. So now let us see the demonstration in real time. So now initially it will not run. Okay, so from the pedaling we can move, but now, so I'm switching on this, and now just increasing that, so you can see that.
Mm.